Armstrong Garden Centers, what I really loved about it was that it was very open. As soon as you get there, they had sunflower options as well as some succulents. There is different sections throughout the entire store. There's an indoor section, an outdoor section, and they also are well known for their like fruits and plant trees that they also have. My favorite part was the succulents. There was many options. What I also saw were these rocks shaped like turtles. They were really cute. I'm assuming that they're actually meant for you to put them on your plants outside in your garden or anywhere that you think it might look nice. I was almost gonna get one, but unfortunately I didn't. I decided to get a plant instead. They also had a Halloween section, which was really cute. I'm sure they're gonna have a lot more as soon as October comes in, but right now is where we're gonna start heading towards where the fruits and the flowers are. They had a pretty big selection there.
I wish we got a lot more footage of the indoor section. They had a lot of different houseplants and a lot of different varieties, but I guess you're gonna have to go and see for yourself. But yeah, that was our trip to Armstrong. We got a lot of good stuff.
Our next stop is the Standard Design Group here in Sherman Oaks. They have a cute little spot located right on Ventura Boulevard, so you are going to have to find street parking, but it does call you very much from the outside. Once you head in, it's like you're in the jungle. You have a lot of tall plants. I wish I knew their names, but it feels like you're in a very welcome green space. They do have a lot of interesting plants here as well. They are in a decent price range. They also sell postcards, incense, planters, and matches. So it's you're getting a really good variety of stuff at this place.
They also had a lot of very common houseplants mixed in with a lot of harder to find houseplants, like the Persian shield that you see here, the little purple plants. They also had pineapple plants as well, which are really a fun find. A lot of people don't know that pineapples grow like this. But yeah, they also have a lot of cool hanging plants. They had these really interesting basketball hanging planters, which are really cool to see.
So what I really loved about this store as well is I never really seen most of these plants when I went into the other store previous and also the store that we're going to go to next. Compared to them, there was a lot of plants that were very unique, a lot more interesting, very beautiful actually, and definitely would go back to go buy some more.
Also, if you guys have an indoor space that doesn't get a lot of light, this place does have these really cool grow lights available that you can put your plants under and they'll grow just like as if they were under the sun.
If you also buy a plant and a planter at the same time, they will pot it for you at no extra charge. And I walked away with this really cute snake plant.
So our last stop was Brandon the Plant Guy. He's a local plant influencer and he was nice enough to let us feature him in our video. And here's what he has to say.
Hi everyone, I'm Brandon the Plant Guy and I sell plants on my balcony here in Van Nuys, California. Started doing this about a year ago. You can find a bunch of different indoor plants, some outdoor plants. You can find me on Instagram at Brandon the Plant Guy. You can also find me on TikTok by typing in Brandon the Plant Guy.
Today's purchase, awkwardly walking into this. So I got this plant. It's actually really cute. I fell in love with it. I was not expecting to buy this, but I'm so glad that I did.
So here's my plant purchase. I got this cute little pot. Wow, looks like a vase. I got a cute little syngonium or an arrowhead plant. I also got this cute little mushroom that you can put in your plants. I'm so in love with it. It's so cute. I also got this really neat matchbook.
And lastly, my plant purchase included purchasing 2 plants because 2 plants are better than 1, and here they are. If you go ahead and check out these places, let us know in the comments which ones you're going to get for yourself. And I'll see you next time.